How's everyone doing? AJ here with Duct Ranger. We are your local veteran-owned certified dryer vent professionals. This channel provides general information on dryer venting. We try to educate our community on what we find on these jobs, these short videos that we provide. It's showing real-world information on what we're finding and a fix to it, okay? So our goal is to educate, keep our community safe from fire hazards, keep their dryers running good, and keep the homes and families safe. So right now we got a call for a client said they've cleaned their vents 2 times this year. Their dryer eventually ended up just crashing and breaking. They called us, we went out here and checked it out, and came to the conclusion that there's gonna be something going on at the termination point with the dryer duct. So we're gonna open this thing up. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's going on here, but I almost guarantee the way this is routed, it's not right. So let's go ahead. I can already see the lint up there. Look at that. There's no way that dryer could breathe this time. All right, well, we're gonna get to work here and get this fixed, and then we'll get back with you guys. Yeah, so we just pulled the roof jack off, getting the dryer jack installed. It's gonna vent a lot better, but I mean, you can tell this thing just was not venting. It was getting all clogged up in there. And they had that hose pinched almost to the extent where, no air was getting out. And these roof jacks, look how tight that hole is. And there's just very minimal space to allow that dryer to properly breathe. So we're gonna see some huge results with this once we get all this installed and get a cleaning done, so. So we're back here. We had to come back the second day because her dryer literally was deadline. So we waited for her to get a new dryer, came back, we got the dryer back installed. We're getting good readings. You're coming out here, you can see it's venting properly. Literally still some fog. It blew out all that as soon as we started up. So she's good. Everything's working here. We're happy with it. The customer's happy. Nothing wrong with that. All right, hey, so going back to the original roof jack on this house, just want to touch base on it. Had some time to kind of look at it once we pulled it off after we installed the dryer jack. We're happy, the customer's happy, everything, but we'll look at this. So again, going back to this is the jack that we pulled off of there. This hole is only 3.5 inches wide. So code for ducting for venting on a dryer is 4 inches wide. So they literally, the builders, instead of installing a proper roof jack, they decided in their infinite wisdom to go ahead and pinch off the current piping in the house and shrink it down and jam it into a 4-inch ducting diameter into a 3.5 inch hole. That's why their dryer stopped working, it broke. I don't know how much she paid for the new dryer. I'm glad we're able to help them out. They're good to go now. So if you guys like what you see here, please subscribe. Other than that, we'll see you till next time.